Hey business owners, if your business used to rank, but now it feels invisible, no one's finding it, or you're just starting out and wondering where to begin, then here's the harsh truth. Most people approach Google rankings completely wrong. Now, it's like running up a down escalator. Tons of effort, no results. So today, I'm going to show you how you can run up an up escalator as if it was switched on, going in your direction. So we're going to cover the elephant in the room, which is Google, the guaranteed way to rank number one, and I mean it, guaranteed, and the $1 million question. So let's take the elephant in the room, Google. After years of consulting and helping businesses owners rank top on Google, here's the truth that I keep coming across. Most people start off wrong. A lot of people blame Google for their problems. Google's against my business, they say. I get it, because I've been there too, and I said the same thing. But the truth is, Google doesn't care about you personally. It doesn't really care at all about your business. What it cares about is delivering the best experience for its users. And if you don't align with that mission, then your rankings will suffer. So let me show you how to stop fighting Google and start working with it. These are the exact steps that I've used with my clients to help them dominate their local markets, and that can work for you too. I'm going to share it with you now. So, the secret to guaranteed rankings. So I hate the use of the word secret or guarantee in the same sentence, as rankings, it just doesn't go with those two words, and it just feels fake. But bear with me. I've got a picture here of where one of my clients went from 20 plus, all in the red, and then when they next searched, they then went to 1 pretty much everywhere locally in the rankings. Now let's cut to the chase then by giving you a scenario. What if 100 people found your business on Google Maps, clicked on your listing, and engaged with your website? They scrolled on your website, they clicked on your website, and they stayed there for a long time. Do you know that would signal to Google? Do you know what it is? Well, I've worked with hundreds of businesses, and one of the biggest lessons I've learned is that user behavior is everything. Honestly, when it comes to rankings, you can't underestimate the power of this user behavior. So Google tracks how visitors interact with your business online. If they bounce back straight away because the site is slow in loading, they can't navigate it on a mobile because it's just difficult. It gets annoyed by the spammy keywords that are in the way so people don't hang around. Google will rank someone higher than you if the user experience is poor. If the user behavior, back to Google, is negative, your rankings will go down. Remember the bad old days of search engines like Yahoo and AltaVista. Think of the way they used to work. So you gave them typed in, say, jellyfish, and you got an irrelevant result back. So I've got here a picture of typing in jellyfish, and then half of the pictures come back as jelly or jam, and the others come back as a fisherman and fishing tackle and fishing gear. The fact was years ago, search engines like Yahoo and AltaVista were pretty poor at the results they produced. But Google managed to fix that. If I do a search for Google, as an example here, I've put in jellyfish, and you get a really good informed article with great pictures, and clearly it's all about jellyfish. Now that's just a made-up example, but the fact was the user ways in which people interacted with the results was important to Google. So whatever you do, don't try fish fingers or fish cake because you get some weird results. So here's the takeaway so far. Deliver what users want quickly, clearly, and with real value, and Google will reward you. I remember one client, a local window cleaner, he was really struggling to get noticed. Once we optimized their site, their mobile, we focused on user engagement, they didn't just rank, they started getting more sales, more customers than ever before. And that's the power of understanding Google's priorities. So let me show you how you can do this, how you can make this happen step by step. So this comes on to the $1 million question, and really is how can your business be the one capturing those 100 visitors and sending them all the right signals back to Google? Well, over the years, I've seen countless businesses struggle because they focus on the wrong things. They chase quick fixes, they ignore user experience, or they waste time with outdated SEO tactics. But the businesses that I've worked with, they follow a proven system. They see fast results. They get their business to number one, as you can see here in another picture. And that's why I spent the past year creating something that's really easy to use. Introducing, and I've been talking about this for some time now, my Google Business Accelerator. It's a step-by-step program, and it's designed to get your business ranking fast. It's all about basically taking you from your business wherever it is now to the results that you want. So it's 22 modules that I've been building. It's the simplest way to rank, and it's really set up into 5 sections as well. It's not about following the modules, it's just about getting the results. So these aren't just generic tips, not just things I've put on Google in the past or on YouTube. This is an exact system that I've used. I've refined it over years, and I've put it together with consulting and testing on real clients. And the best part is I am opening up some early bird spots for this. I need to get a community off the ground, and I need to get it really working before it goes officially public. And I'm going to send it out to those that want it at a fraction of the final cost. Now, I need a small committed group to kick things off and put this system into action. So this is your chance to join me and have an early inside access to this. So I think I've got quite a few already, but if you're ready to get started, just hit reply to this email and type in the words, "I'm in." Now, some of you have already done this on a previous email I sent out about a month ago. We're nearly there. It's nearly ready to be released. You'll then be added to my priority list and be the first to receive all the details plus early access. So don't miss out on these spots because they are limited. So I'll see you next week. And PS, if you're in, or are you in, well then just reply "I'm in" to this email, and then I will give you first access to the early bird price.